see it?
Yeah,
Oh, he's like,
the car stopped.
Yeah.
Oh, he's out in the road.
yeah, he is.
And he get over.
He was backed up too. Forget.
Did he go off the road?
Yeah, he did. Oh shit.
He's out there with the headlights and no one hits him. Because, yeah, he's going to get it if he wasn't out there.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, that's
I wouldn't have
crazy.
seen that white one, yeah.
I hope a cop gets there quick with his life, if nothing else. Anyways, in Branson, there was like, it had like a whole area with like the tower and everything that we went up in, and it had zip lining, but we didn't do that.
Oh, Mountain Coaster, yes.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Mountain Coaster.
And it was awesome because we went on a slow day.
I was thinking,
We got to go and go
when
and
you said
go.
Silver Island City, I was thinking it was a ride in Silver Island City and
No.
took me off. I was like,
I was trying to think of something fun we could do in Branson that we didn't have to buy passes
God,
for.
yeah.
And I'm still really concerned about Silver Island City and our weight.
I'm glad he was out there with a headlight. That would
Oh, that's what I was saying, yeah.
like I could have been
Yeah.
still.
Yeah, if he wasn't out there with the headlight, I don't know.
I would think
Maybe
that
we
that
could
car.
slow down, but
I just would think that car was just on the shoulder.
yes, yeah, I didn't even realize he was like this at first. There's no one out here. How did they manage that? Were they messing around with each other or something, you know? It's crazy.
What's crazy is Mount Vernon.
Uh-huh.
When you get on the ramp, they got guardrails.
Uh-huh.
Everyone seems to hit it. They just fixed it, and now it's down again.
Oh my goodness. Imagine if the guardrails weren't there. They'd probably just go woo, way off into nowhere.
Well, no, there's a storage place down there.
Oh, great. Not nowhere. In the storage place.